Talking to your dream clients is an amazing task all business owners should take on, and that's what we've been doing over the past couple weeks. As I've said in the past, lots of people skip this step. You do not want to skip this step, and you're going to find out why. So now that you've talked to them, your brain is spinning. What should you do next? So today we're talking about all the data. Dream Client Data Deep Dive. So I'm Shannon with Shannon Leaf Strategy. I'm a digital marketing strategist and coach who teaches you how to grow your business using simple digital marketing strategies to get you results and save time. So I've been doing this for over 20 years in the online marketing space, and I'd love to help you impact your business. I worked in the corporate world for 20 years, and I have been on my own for the last 3. So how did it feel to talk to those dream customers? Did you learn something about them? One thing I like to do is spend some time grouping the answers into a spreadsheet and look for commonalities among the answers. Now, I'll get to why that's important in just a second, but I know it sounds kind of nerdy, but this step is really going to help you. So I'm going to use real estate as an example. So you're a real estate agent and you asked, what keeps you up at night about purchasing a home? What keeps you up at night? Think about that. For me, I would say buyer's remorse. Personal story, bought a house and literally for 45 days freaked out. So some answers could be buyer's remorse, possible market crash. Did I pay too much? You get the point. So what you do is you're going to make a spreadsheet for each question that you asked and group the answers. You might have several people that answered buyer's remorse. You might have several people that answered the market may crash. You have several people that answered, sleepless nights about buying a house, or just waiting for the offer to be accepted. So you make a spreadsheet for each question you asked. Don't skip the step, and you'll find like which one has the most answers in it. It sounds kind of nerdy, but going through the questions and doing this step will help you process for the next part of what we're going to do with all this data. So, not a step to miss, action step time. Let's get nerdy. Put each question in a tab of a spreadsheet. Go through the answers and group them into columns. This part of the process always inspires or ignites some sort of idea around the services I offer. And this could be the same for you for the products or services you offer. So the next couple of weeks, we're going to dive into the nitty-gritty of attracting those dream clients. And so we are almost to the final part, almost there. Then next week, a week from today, we're going to do 3 days of how to build relationships online in this Simplified Squad Facebook group. And if you're watching this in the replay and you're not in the Simplified Squad Facebook group, join us at the link below. And this group offers trainings, live coachings, weekly marketing tips, and more. And if you want to work with me, you can visit me at shannonleestrategy.com. I offer digital marketing coaching one-on-one, and I also have group coaching, which is opening up in a couple weeks.